Hey guys, this is Robbie with Wheaton Arms. Today we're going to walk you through the installation process of your new Wheaton Arms guide rod for your Glock pistol. Take the magazine out of the pistol. We're going to rack the slide to the rear. We're going to check the chamber to make sure there is not a round in the chamber. Once we've ensured that the pistol is completely unloaded and there's no ammunition in it, the magazine's removed, the next thing we're going to do is pull the takedown lever down, pull the trigger, and take the slide assembly off of the frame. Next step is going to be to remove the guide rod. So now that we have our factory guide rod removed from the pistol, we're going to install our new Wheaton Arms guide rod, making sure we have it seated in our barrel properly. The next thing we're going to do is apply a thin coat of oil to the guide rod. Once we've applied a thin coat of oil to the guide rod, then we're going to install the slide back onto the pistol, and we're ready to go. Y'all, I can't stress enough, lubrication is key with any firearm. Anytime you install new components into your firearm, always make sure you lube those components properly before you reassemble the pistol and before you take it out to shoot it the first time.